HOTS Higher Order Thinking Skills. Module 3, 3.2 Quiz, Activity Assessment Solution. Before we begin, please subscribe for updates, like, comment and share. Feel free to write to us.
Let's do this.
3.2 Quiz, Activity Assessment, Solutions. 1. What type of teaching method did the teacher mostly use in the lesson? C. Direct instruction. 2. Which important step was missed during the activity? A. Giving students objects to explore themselves. 3. Which skill did the teacher not encourage during the activity? B. Memorization. 4. How could the teacher improve the lesson to encourage analytical thinking? A. Let students touch the objects and describe them. 5. What questioning technique would promote analytical thinking in this scenario? A. How does this object feel when you touch it? 6. Which method was missing that could improve students' thinking process? A. Active participation. 7. What kind of questions would promote higher order thinking? B. Why do you think the sponge feels soft? 8. Why is it important for students to touch objects in this activity? A. It helps them explore and think critically. 9. Which teaching approach was not used but would improve the activity? A. Inquiry-based learning. 10. How could the teacher encourage students to compare objects? A. By asking, which object is softer, the sponge or the rock? Great work. Thanks for watching.